Check whether the outer packaging is complete. Open the product. Slowly remove the anti-collision foam and take out the product. Confirm if the product is missing or damaged. Detailed display.